Nyong'o is a very capable person. He's a politician with a lot of experience. He's a professor, very learned, very exposed, and he's not a controversial person. So we support him as a new party leader. But I've always felt that people from Kisii region who always supported him to the last man are still getting the short end of the stick. Kisii needs more visible positions in the party. Otherwise, our continued stay will not be tenable come 2027. That I can say on record. Parliamentary position as Kisii in ODM, we have no substantive position in the central management of ODM. But yet, we contribute to the vote basket of ODM year in, year out, or election in, election out. So, in as much as we support Professor Nyong'o's elevation as party leader, we are questioning what the Kisii nation is getting. And the Luhya nation, the Kisii nation has most members of parliament from ODM. But we are always neglected and sidelined when the positions have been dished out. I think the party has its own criteria. And the criteria may involve many things. Political experience, it may involve a stay in parliament, professional experience, education, age, and all those things. So that criteria may have been applied. And for me, really, Professor Nyong'o is the right person, if you ask me, for whatever criteria they used. You know, there's what we call a collective bargaining agreement. And it is a document that is recognized in law. And if one party feels aggrieved that its side of the bargain has not been met, then it is their right to go on strike. But having said that, I think the mood in the country right now, and generally in all sectors, does not warrant any pay rise. Even we members of parliament rejected our annual pay increase, which was due to reflect in our pay slips from July. I came out very strongly and said no, it's the wrong time. And so, like everyone else in the country, the lecturers should understand that this is the wrong time, and they should suspend their strike until they have renegotiated the timelines for implementation of the collective bargaining agreement.